Hi, my name's Patrina Boddington and I'm a Milestones customer. It was really simple. You know, Andy was brilliant when he came. He said, I reckon it's going to be X amount of square meterage, and he was pretty much precise to the exact metre. It was all ordered through him and through Milestones, and it just came as we needed it. So it was just such a smooth operation, really. No problems at all.
Most of our customers will either find us on the net or they will have heard of us from friends. We do have a lot of customers that have been really happy with their previous patio from us, and they've recommended us to a neighbour. So they'll come in and because of that, they'll probably have an idea of what they're after because they've seen their friends or they've seen some of our stuff online. What we generally do is listen to what they're after, listen to sort of the project as a whole, what their house looks like, the kind of look they're going for. And then we'll take them for a walk around the display garden. We've got all of our different paving stones laid out there in like finished patio panels, so you can see what it's like with proper mortar joins. You can walk on it, you can feel it. We'll then take them inside, have a little chat about what they liked out there and what they didn't like, and then start refining it down a little bit. We've got samples of everything inside as well, and inside's where our porcelain range might be. So it might be that they've looked at the stone and decided stone's not for them. They want to start looking at the porcelain, and that's when we talk to them inside about a few things. We give them samples to take away. Normally what we try and do is narrow it down to 1 or 2 choices.
When I go down there, it's like a warm welcome. I don't ever go into a place where we'll go, hi, you know, it's like, oh, hello.
And once they're happy, we'll take the order and get it all booked in for them, and generally we'll try and work around whatever construction work's happening at their place. So if they've got something going on in 3 weeks' time where the groundwork's being done and they want the stone delivered a few days after that, we'll obviously look at all that for them and try and get the logistics arranged so it arrives right when they need it.
Really warm welcome. They are, with their correspondence, they've been getting quotes, have been really, really quick. Yeah, can't fault them. Really great, really nice atmosphere.
Okay, so my name's Roy Legbag. I'm a director of Milestone in Southampton. We supply landscaping materials, mainly paving stone. And today we're filming at my house in Winchester. We have a team here putting my patio. We've been hoping for this for about a year now. Various things have put it off, and we're waiting for the weather to turn, and the kids have been chasing me, so I thought, right, let's pull the trigger on it. Down the road, I've known them for about 5 years. They work for a local landscape contractor, been using us as a company for their supplies of materials for about 5 or so years now. Brilliant lads, great fun to work with. They do a fantastic job, quality's very good, they know what they're doing.
Yeah, my name's Dan, and today we're paving at Roy's house. So we'll fix about 150 square metres of limestone paving to go down in the heat. So quite a small job, really. It's just good. It's good to keep keeping local businesses busy rather than going to these big, like Jewson's or Travis, which really, they don't really care much for the people coming in. It's just another customer, as Roy likes to know basic backgrounds, what you're doing and this. So yeah, feel a bit more respected. Yeah, like I say, as much of the respect we've got for them guys, they give it back to us. So we're loyal to them and they're loyal to us. So that goes round, doesn't it?